Do you suffer from self-doubt? Has this ever happened to you where you really wanted to go for a job or go for a work or do something and you got the opportunity and then you started feeling, oh no, maybe you are not fit for it yet? Hi, my name is Vijay, and we're going to talk about limiting beliefs, negative beliefs, or self doubt, which most of the people have in some or the other form in themselves. When we wanted to do something and we get an opportunity, we feel, oh, maybe this is not the right thing to do. Where you really want something and then you look at it and you feel, oh, maybe I'm not yet ready for it, maybe I'm not prepared for it, maybe I need to do something more, I need to work on it. This lack of confidence in certain things, right, creates this self-doubt, creates these limiting beliefs in you, which can be a big problem, which can stop you from going the place which you want to go, which can stop you from exploring the things that you really want to explore. And many a times we feel it's a very big problem, right? Self-doubt, how do I come out of it? But honestly speaking, coming out of self-doubt is not that big a problem if you would really understand it properly and work on it. As I normally say, there is this rule of 50-50, that if you know what is your problem, 50% of your problem is solved and other 50% is solved when you start taking action on it. If you have really understood that you have this self-doubt in you, half of your problem is solved. The other half is just to work on it. Let us understand how we can conquer, how we can control this self-doubt and move towards achieving something great using a simple acronym called OCEAN. O stands for Observe Common Patterns. People who have self-doubt, there is something that happens many a times. It's not like once in a while you have and other things are all you're fine. Many a things which you try to see, you feel yourself underconfident. It is important to observe what is the pattern. Why is this happening? What are the stuff that is, pushing these things to work? And it is not very difficult to find that pattern. There might be certain kind of work when it comes, you suddenly feel yourself not very confident and self-doubt pops in. For me, most of my times when there are numbers come in place, when I say numbers, especially say using a tool like Excel, I personally never worked in Excel and I don't like it much. But when a task that I pick and that has Excel involved in it, I suddenly get this self-doubt, suddenly get this limiting beliefs that maybe I will not be able to do something good. But once you understand this is the problem, as I mentioned, the other 50% is just acting upon it. So first one, O, stands for observe the common patterns. C stands for check what instilled these beliefs. The self-doubt actually comes from certain things that we believe strongly, that we are not good at something or we cannot do something. These beliefs have been there in you, right? Something happened in your past that added up to this, and then you strongly felt that this is how you are. But then you would check on what is it that is giving you this strong beliefs. You would be able to work on it well. So check on all these beliefs. E stands for enhancing your perception. Enhancing perception will help a lot in coming out of this self-doubt. See, it's like this. When you are in a trouble and you see that you can't find a solution, you go to somebody and then your friend or your mentor would solve your problem like this. Observe, something similar would have happened with you also. When a friend of yours comes to you and says that he or she in a trouble, you can solve it like this. Do you know why this happens? This happens because when we are in a problem or in trouble, it's like we are surrounded with that problem and we see that problem all around us. But when somebody comes we see it in front of us. We see it, as if it's very easy for us from all sides. The moment you start seeing problem from a little distance, you would understand the solution is not that very complicated and you can definitely do it. This can work only once you start enhancing your perception. Look at it. Where is it? Maybe it's a very simple thing. Maybe you're assuming too much about it. Maybe you're unnecessarily getting scared about something that might happen. What might happen is never in your control. Unnecessarily we're cooking that up. This enhancing your perception, looking the same thing from different angles, will help you to understand, and this could be a very important part in bringing you out of this self-doubt. A stands for analyzing the situation. Once you have seen this, right, once you have enhanced your perception and you have seen the problem from all sides, this is the time to analyze the situation. Where are you and what is it that is not working? What is it that is stopping? See what is it that you can do. What actions you can do right now to ensure you go for that, right? You go for the job that you have thought of, go for that activity that you have thought of, and not stopping by some unnecessarily or useless beliefs that you have built across, right? Analyze the situation carefully and act upon it, and that is very critical for you towards moving from the self-doubt and being very confident in what you are trying to do. N stands for nurture positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are very critical. This is like self-talk, right? In the initial stage when you are having that self-doubt, this helps a lot to move out of that. Not that everybody every time needs something to talk yourself, but when you are in self-doubt, talking about these positive affirmations will really help. This is kind of a habit that you need to nurture in you. See, even if you do not try, these negative affirmations keep coming to you, and that is the reason why you have this self-doubt. To nullify that, you need to nurture this positive affirmations. You need to grow this. You need to help these positive affirmations coming again and again in life, and you are pushing towards it. And this, you will see, slowly will change the entire game. You would be in a position to be accepting those tasks for which you were pulling yourself away. This self-doubt will slowly disappear in your life. O stands for observe common patterns. C stands for check what instilled these beliefs. E stands for enhancing your perception. A stands for analyzing the situation. And N stands for nurture positive affirmations. OCEAN, ocean, a simple affirmation, I'm sure will help you bring you back from that self-doubt, right? From that limiting beliefs that were being there. Work on this and you would see in a very short while all your self-doubts will disappear, and you would have that level of confidence which you really wanted to bring in your work. I hope this content would have added value, and if you really like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. A lot more is going to come in this.